Morning all, I am Suraj from Gate University.
F5. F5. F5.
Still working, sir.
So go to the bottom right. No, go to the front page. Stay on the front page. Stay on the front page. Let us read this.
Okay. Actually, here I am going to explain on
Okay.
interval intuition.
So this is your what? You are a B student or a E student?
I am doing PhD.
PhD. So who is your guide?
DK Tugar.
So you didn't put his name. You are supposed to put guide's name.
No, sir. He said it's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's an ethical thing. So you must follow.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
My presentation is organized in the following way. Here I am skipping the introduction and other parts.
Next.
Here I am providing an algorithm. First we have to input the priority data table which contains all the information about the parameters. Then we have to input the interval variable evolution fuzzy subset. And from this subset we have to extract the optimistic values, pessimistic value and the neutral value. And after that we have to repeat the following steps. That means we have to create the priority table first. It is obtained by multiplying the priority value with the parameter value. Then we have to construct the comparison table by comparing each object with others. Then calculate the decision table for all the cases, pessimistic case, optimistic case, and neutral case, based upon this score function. And after that, we have to rank the objects based upon this score and assign rankings to them. And finally, we are creating a rank table based upon this normalized score equation. Here, C is the number of objects, K is the number of cases. In this case, the number of cases is 3 and J is the number of judges because this is a single group decision problem. In the case of group decision making problems, it will be more. And this is an example. And
Show the example. Go back.
This is the set of class that we are taking C1 to C6 and we are assigning the parameters to the parameters mileage, design, price, company, etc. Here two things will come, one is positive parameter and the other thing is negative parameter. Negative parameter means the decision is directly proportional to the.
Why are you restricting the set of cards up to 6?
Because now we are working on small example. We already implemented everything with the help of 50 parameters, but here I have explained everything within 10 minutes if you are providing all these things. That's why.
Okay. Carry on.
This is the parameter data table, and according we are ranking these parameters as per the absolute value of the priority, and this is the input that we are providing, and from there we are extracting the values and the table, the ranks, the decision table. From these decision tables, we are creating the final score. According to the final score, we are ranking the objects. From this, we can identify that the class is the best option.
This particular pessimistic is also 5, neutral is 5, final rank.
How is it possible?
Yes, because we are using one score function. Based upon these values only, whatever values we are providing here, based upon that we are calculating the rankings. In some cases the rank might be same, in some other cases rank might not be. According to the values that we are providing, we will get the rank. From the rank we obtained from these rank we are calculating the normalized score using that big equation, and according to that only we are finally ranking the objects.
Your all values are in point values.
Because it is fuzzy values only. Induced is fuzzy values. We are not considering the values which are more than 1.
So only the C6 has got optimistic 2.
It will change according to the values that we are taking.
You have done a real life constraint with.
Yes, sir. We are implementing that algorithm now with 50 parameters and 200 objects.
No, for this case study that you have put. At least for small entity. Have you compared with real life entities? Whether the cars are really 5 ranking or 1 ranking exactly or what?
Some more examples we worked out and we got
Just 1 or 2 examples if you work out. Whether you have worked with the real life car entities, you get reviews, you get entities, anything such using a social network or your car review network. So whether your ranks matches with the things which are in the market. Meaning, let's say your car ranking for a particular is 1 number in your studies. Whether it is the same in practice.
Before some other researchers have done with their algorithm. In that